This is going to be recording. The puppies are 4 weeks old. 4 weeks old. Say hello. Let's wake up. Let's wake up. Oh, hi. Hi. This is puppy. This is Mickey. This is puppy number 2. And he's very handsome. He's starting to get pigment on his paws, which is very normal. They're 4 weeks old today. And he's Stop. Here's Mr. Louie. He's a good boy. He is also getting pigment on his paws. Their noses are nice and black. Very nice looking little boys. Hi. Say happy birthday, puppies. Move around, guys. See the doggy toys that were in there? Little ball. Oh. Over there? Oh, come on. Puppies are going potty. On the paper. See how they move away from their bed? Oh, what's that, huh? Good puppy. Good puppy. That was good. Good. Hurry up. Good puppy. Good puppy. How about you? You want to go over here too? Huh? Here's their first food. Let's see if they're interested. I'm not so sure what that is. Oh, what is that? Oh, he's exploring about that. Here's I smell. Whoopsie, I'm in the bowl. Oh, okay. Here comes Mama. She'll clean that up. Oh, I mean, it's to play with Mommy. Let's go pee over here. Okay, good boy. Okay, dear. Mommy. There's the puppy. 4 weeks old. Lay down, pretty girl. Lay down. This gets too hot for her. So we're going to turn the light off. There they are. Look how big they are. They're over 2 pounds each now. They're really good puppies, and she's a good, good mommy. So today is today is April 4th, and they're exactly 4 weeks old today.